What roadside events are covered by Good Sam Roadside? Have you ever found yourself stranded on the side of the road, wondering what to do next? If so, you might be curious about what Good Sam Roadside Assistance can do for you. Let's break down the roadside events covered by this service. Good Sam Roadside Assistance offers a wide range of coverage designed to help you get back on the road quickly and safely. One of the major benefits is unlimited towing. If your vehicle breaks down, Good Sam will tow it to the nearest professional service center without any distance limits. This applies to cars, trucks, SUVs, recreational vehicles, trailers, and even rented or leased vehicles, depending on your plan. In addition to towing, Good Sam provides roadside repairs. If your vehicle can be fixed on site, certified technicians or mobile mechanics will come to your location. You only pay for parts and labor if repairs are done right there. This can save you time and hassle compared to waiting for a tow. Another key feature is tire and wheel coverage. Certain premium plans include tire replacement and wheel repair or replacement, helping you out if you experience tire damage due to road hazards. This is especially helpful for those unexpected flat tires. Good Sam also offers emergency services with higher-tier plans. This includes emergency medical evacuation, transportation home after a medical emergency, and even vehicle return services. These benefits can cover significant travel costs related to medical emergencies. What about the types of vehicles covered? Good Sam has you covered there too. They provide assistance for a broad range of vehicles, including owned cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, and various types of trailers. Some plans even offer additional benefits like priority access to RV technician helplines, discounts on repairs, rentals, and hotels, and assistance with buying or selling vehicles. When comparing Good Sam Roadside Assistance to typical auto insurance roadside coverage, it is clear that Good Sam offers extensive coverage. Many auto insurance policies may limit towing distance and on-site repairs, which can lead to unexpected out-of-pocket expenses during breakdowns. In summary, Good Sam Roadside Assistance covers towing, on-site repairs, tire and wheel damage, emergency travel and medical services, and a variety of vehicle types. This makes it a solid choice for drivers seeking protection beyond standard auto insurance roadside coverage.